This is a video on how to fix your print and cut sensor error. That yellow piece is your LED that shines the light on the paper, and then the little purple integrated circuit next to it is the part that reads it. The problem with this is there is a missing piece. I didn't know this until I stuck a mirror in my working one underneath and could barely see. There's a little black part that goes around it. So what I did was I cut a piece of a sandal, just some foam rubber stuff. I cut a little tiny piece and made myself a little barrier for the light and the sensor, or the light and the IC. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take and I'm gonna glue it right there. Now you wanna make sure that you can see through it. It's hard to see on the video, but you wanna make sure that you can see through it and that it's not too high, so that it's not higher than this level right here, because that level is where stuff will rub against, and if it rubs against it, it'll rip it off, and that's what happened in the first place. So you want to make it high enough so that the light projects but doesn't interfere with the IC. So I'll finish gluing it and then putting it back together, and then I'll run a test run and see if it works, and then I'll let you know. Okay, here's the moment of truth. Let's see if it works. Now it took a little while for it to start. I'm not sure exactly why, but it will work in just a second here. Haha! Yes! Success! Take that, Cricut. I fixed your Cricut Maker machine with a flip-flop. See that? That little piece? Print and cut error solved. Cost of a flip-flop. It's doing the test and cut right now. It took a little while to start, but so that's all you need. If you have the print and cut error, you got to take it all apart and then get a flip-flop and cut out 2 holes for it.